Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
By Surah Yunus 10 and Ayah 88. وقال موسى ربنا إنك آتيت فرعون وملأه زينة وأموالا في الحياة الدنيا ربنا ليضلوا عن سبيلك ربنا اطمس على أموالهم واشدد على قلوبهم فلا يؤمنوا حتى يروا العذاب الأليم. And Musa said, Our Lord, surely you have given Pharaoh the Pharaoh and his chiefs the adornment of wealth in this worldly life. Our Lord, so that they mislead about your way. Our Lord, obliterate them on their wealth and make them rigid on their hearts so that they will not believe until they see the grievous punishment. Now Musa salam, this is an essence of the lecture is that in all times, remember this my words, mark, because of the Quran says in all times the wealth, because these scholars and the terrorists are squandering wealth and hoarding wealth. So according to this ayat, Musa says, Oh our Lord, Rabbana innaka ataita fir'auna wa mala. You, Allah, have given, because the giver is Allah. Even if the looting, because Allah is giving them permission, even the shaitan has been given the permission to do wrong. So permission is granted by Allah. So Allah has given the permission to the scholar, given the permission to do wrong through the devil, the shaitan is doing it. The permission is granted to the scholars, they are doing it. The permission granted to the terrorists, they are doing it. Wrong. So Allah said, these people, Rabbana innaka ataita fir'auna wa mala. You have given the Fir'aun and his chiefs what? The wealth. Zinat, the adornment, wa amwal fil hayat dunya. That Allah, you have given the Fir'aun, the Pharaoh and the chief, the adornment of the world and the wealth. In the whole world you can see the wealth is among the non-Muslims or the Christians or the other classes, not among the believers. The Jews have it and then other non-believers have it. You can communist, other religion, Hindus, other, all the wealth is these wealth, big people. This is basically the Pharaoh and his people have got this wealth. Who has given them? Allah. If Allah would have not given them, not like nicely, it is a test because Allah granted permission to the shaitan to do evil. Similarly, Allah gave the permission to these terrorists or these scholars who are doing evil. If Allah does not will, He would have not done it. They could not have not done it. So permission is granted. So Allah said they have given this wealth to these people, the wealth and Rabbana liyudillu an sabil. They are misleading people from your path. Look. Our Lord, so that they mislead about your way. So he prays, Rabbana tmis ala amwalihim wajdud ala qulubihim fala yu'minu hatta yarawul adhab al-alim. O our Lord, obliterate them on their wealth and make them rigid on their hearts so they will not believe until they see the grievous penalty. This is very, very important ayat if you think that the whole world, the non-believers will have the wealth. And the chiefs will have the wealth and they will misguide people from the straight path. And Musa salam is sent to deliver the message. Can you imagine? So Musa salam is saying to Allah, you have given them the wealth, you have given them the adornment, and Musa salam in the Quran is delivering the message. Musa salam and Harun salam deliver the message. What happens? It was all the time Allah doing the work for him. And how many people? Only 70 in the Quran. 70. 70 people he selected. Musa salam. And they also were befooled. So remember, it is all time the messengers are delivering the message. Musa salam delivered the message in the Quran. You see, read the references. I'm not going to detail. But what happened in the end? It was all the time Allah was through Musa salam was destroying the Pharaoh and his people. So he prayed this, and Allah is in the world, the wealth will be with them. So he said, obliterate them on their wealth. So people are dying on their wealth, giving their life on their wealth. They are hoarding it and they are dying. Even if they squander it or they hoard it, but what happened? What is the result? You will die, you are dead, the wealth will be there. So the result is that you obliterate them on their wealth and make their hearts rigid, so they will not believe. So they don't believe. So they remain what they are, and the whole centuries of the centuries you'll see they are what they are in the world.